Alright guys, we're back with another video. This time we're going to do Lab 4.4, Comprehensive Case, Dillard Store Data, particularly visualizing regression in Tableau. So to begin with this lab, we're going to start off by opening our Tableau application. Once again, we're going to be using the same version. So that version is Tableau 2020.2. It may take a minute to load, so we'll be back once it loads. Okay, so Tableau is pulled up and we're gonna connect to a file specifically in Microsoft Excel. And for this lab, we'll be using the lab for dummy. So make sure you have that file so that you can find it within your downloads, and then go ahead and open. All right, so we're gonna want to go to sheet 1 to view this screen. And you're going to want to place your explanatory variables on the columns and your dependent variables on the rows. So in this case, we're going to put Arkansas dummy as the columns right here. Just drag and drop. It's going to take a little bit to load. So, and then once that's done loading, you're going to want to put your tran amount measure in the row. So I'm going to let this load and then we can continue. So next, once your Arkansas dummy has loaded in the columns, you want to put the tran amount. So just scroll down a little bit and you're going to put that in your rows. And once again, this one actually loaded a little bit faster. So no, wait, just loading, but yes. Alrighty, so next we're going to go to the Analysis tab right here. And Tableau defaults to aggregating the measures, but we're interested in an individual observation. Therefore, we want to disaggregate the values by clicking on this one. Let's try that again. Yep, and now you see it's unchecked. And then for the next step, you want to go down to the lines, trend lines, and you want to show all trend lines. Oh, and then just take a minute to load. And yep, that's what you should have now. Alrighty, so now that we have our trend line edited there, if you hover over it, you can see your p-value and as well as the regression formula. Just a fun fact. So moving on to step 7, you want to add the online dummy and the DLRD dummy as a column. So I'll go ahead and do these in order. First, the online dummy. As such, it may take a minute to load. All right, and now that that's loaded, we're also going to add our DLRD dummy as a column. As such, and allow it to load. And now you'll see that these extra graphs kind of populate there, and by having these models in there, it's easier to compare variables. And so now just remember that the DLRD is referring to the credit card transactions being paid with the Dillard's credit card. So just another way to complete analysis for the Arkansas store online and online purchases and the use of the credit card one by one, as opposed to all together. And that's the end of lab. That's the end of lab 4.4, comprehensive case, visualizing regression in Tableau. Thanks for watching.